An immaculate 3-bedroom brick home with 4 washrooms situated on a quiet cul-de-sac within a family-minded enclave of West Pickering's Rouge Park neighbourhood. Welcome to 458 Mahogany Court. Showcasing a sun-drenched backyard oasis, the landscaped front yard includes an interlocking walkway and driveway curbs, shrubs lining the walkway, as well as a faux balcony above a covered front entrance that has had its steps and floor updated with stone, all bringing exceptional curb appeal to the home. Accented with a scrolled wrought iron insert, the glass-paneled entry door is surrounded by sidelights and a transom, and welcomes you into a foyer with a cathedral ceiling that is open to the above level, then into a main level showcasing beautiful appointments, including pot lighting, elegant crown moldings and trims, upgraded polished floor tiles, as well as the rich warmth of dark hardwood flooring laid on the diagonal in the open-themed entertaining spaces of the living, dining, and family rooms. The living room's large window fills it with diffused natural light and has the added warmth of a gas fireplace surrounded by a stacked stone mantel finished with a wood beam shelf. The gorgeous formal dining room showcases the added brightness of a linear light fixture, and along its wall is a built-in servery with a quartz counter, the cabinetry providing complementary storage to that within the kitchen. A wall cutout opens the living and family rooms to each other, the family room featuring a ceiling fan and a great space from which to enjoy backyard views through its window. The pristine and recently updated custom kitchen showcases wall-to-wall cabinetry with extended height uppers, crown moldings, and valance lighting, stainless steel appliances including a 2-drawer French door fridge, a range with dual ovens, and a built-in range hood, microwave, and dishwasher, quartz counters and backsplash, as well as an island with waterfall edges, breakfast seating, a stainless steel double-wide undermount sink, and modern pendant lighting. And through the sliding door walkout off the kitchen is the sun-washed backyard oasis. A low-maintenance resort-like space landscaped with a raised stone bed at the rear and perennial beds along the east fence line, surrounding the summertime pleasure of its heated in-ground saltwater pool is a huge stone patio that offers abundant space for poolside dining, relaxation, and entertaining. The backyard also accessible via an interlocking walkway from the front yard. The tiled sunken landing off the reception area has access to the double-car garage, a mirrored door double-coat closet, and a well-appointed powder room featuring wainscoting and a vanity with a stone counter and an upgraded light. And directly off the foyer is a gorgeous dark-stained hardwood staircase with upgraded wrought iron pickets carrying to an upper level showcasing hardwood flooring throughout, 3 bedrooms, 2 updated washrooms, and a laundry room. The 3rd bedroom is quite spacious and features a vaulted ceiling, a double closet with organizers, an oversized southeasterly facing arched window, and a geometric patterned accent wall. The 4-piece main washroom showcases upgraded polished floor tiles finishing its floor and the shower walls of its bath area, as well as a vanity with stone counter and an upgraded light fixture. The laundry room features a ceramic tiled floor, cabinetry storage, and a washer and dryer, while the cozy 2nd bedroom has a northeasterly exposure and ample closet storage. The relaxing and graciously sized master suite features windows with a northwesterly exposure, an accent wall, crown moldings, and a walk-in closet. Its ensuite washroom has a bright yet spa-like aura, with this beautifully appointed space showcasing upgraded polished floor tiles finishing the floor and also surrounding a corner jetted tub with a stone tiled ledge, a walk-in tiled shower area, as well as a vanity with a stone counter, undermount basins, and upgraded lighting. Fully finished and having potential for full conversion into an in-law suite if desired, the lower level showcases wide plank vinyl flooring and pot lighting throughout and has a ton of storage, including a storage room, workbench cabinets with a counter, and 3 separate wall cabinets. While its recreation area is designed with functionality and entertaining in mind. The home chef will appreciate the second kitchen, which can also double as a wet bar with its raised seating along the peninsula. The kitchen also featuring a stainless steel sink, great cabinetry storage, as well as a stainless steel French door fridge and oven. Off the kitchen is an updated 3-piece washroom, showcasing a walk-in shower area with upgraded tiled finishes, a river rock accent border, and a rainfall shower, as well as a coordinating toiletry cabinet, mirror, and vanity, while the remaining L-shaped recreation space has distinct games and media areas, with the media room having an accent wall, sconce lighting, as well as including a projector and movie screen. Within the catchment area of Elizabeth B. Finn and Maple Ridge Public, St. Elizabeth Seton and St. Monica Catholic Elementary, Dunbarton High and St. Mary Catholic Secondary Schools, and minutes from Rouge National Urban Park, the Altona Forest, and the Amberley Shopping Centre. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.